what your truth is. And the truth is I'm procrastinating on this trash can, but I'm gonna get it done today. Yes, I am. Yeah, I'm gonna get it done today. I'm gonna get it done today. Hey, hey, I'm gonna get it done today. Hold on. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Alicia back again after some time with another video. A co-worker of mine commissioned me to paint her a trash can that was inspired by, I want to say, a Scandinavian or Spanish artist. I'm not for certain. I'll be sure to look it up and then leave it in the link below, the artist and their style, once I figure it out. But I figured, hey, let's not wait anymore and let's get this video posted. So I hope you all enjoy the video, and yeah, stay tuned. No longer sticky, and I have not purchased another because I've seen so many people use like washi tape and office supply tape, and it's been working. Make sure it doesn't get cut into items that I need. And since this is a stencil, we're fine. It's cool. So, you know, I was in my flow and everything, and I realized that this is the wrong blue for the bird. So now I have to wait until that dries and then go back over it with this blue. Oh, love it. Actually, I stand corrected again. It's not this blue either. It's this blue. Gotta love it. So I'm pretty proud of how far I've gotten. I've only had this side done. The other side still needs to be painted. So yeah, and I have a friend with me today. You all, so final stages. I'm going to let this sit for maybe like an hour and a half to 2 while I get dressed for work, and fingers crossed it's dry by that time. But yeah, I'm really proud of it. You know, it looks better than I was expecting it to look. I'm really proud that I took the chance to do this. It's been a long time since I've done some creative work, and yeah, feels good. All right, now we're going.